Welcome guys. We are going to the fish market. We're gonna buy some fish to cook later on. We will do some demonstration of the new recipes for the healthy diet, of course. Welcome to my channel, guys. Catering channel. Let's go see the road, how it is. This is International Phase 2. Of course, by help of my friend Rizka. Of course, I cannot hold the cell phone to videos of this very nice road. Very nice road. We are going out International City Phase 2. Going to Nadhalamar. I've heard that there is a new supermarket open in that area. So we're gonna visit it and buy some seafoods for our healthy dinner. Let's listen to the music. So as you can see, guys, take a look of the big buildings over here. This is International City Phase 2. This is a newly area actually. It was from last year only they started to open up for all of the community, I mean. So guys, enjoy the ride. We are going out International City right now. From here we take at least 15 minutes, I think, going to the newly supermarket named Nesto Supermarket, if I'm not mistaken. That is located in Nad Al Hamar, Dubai, UAE. So going out International City Phase 1. On the other side you will see also Phase 1, that International City Phase 1. I don't know if you guys known about it. It's one of the biggest community. They call it International City because all of the cluster there is with the countries. It's the name of the countries. So I hope you guys enjoy the ride. It's a little bit sunny still, but the weather is so nice actually. There's an open new gym over here. This is a new building actually by White Sand Property, and opening soon. You can see here also the new hypermarket opening soon in International City Phase 1 Warsan area. This is, they called it Souk Warsan. So guys, as you can see, this is Dubai. I think I've shown you this one in one of my old video. I think it was like 3 months or 4 months ago. And look at these people. Without pedestrian, they are passing by. They wanted to be in an accident, I think. This one is already near to Albarca, I think so. We are in the highway right now, guys. We're gonna need a little bit of faster because we're gonna slow down over here. rules and regulations. So alright. Seeing from the other side, that is Alwarka. That buildings, as you can see, that's all Alwarka. As you can see, guys, in Dubai, you cannot see any empty spaces, okay? Most of here is all vertical. Means buildings, 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 buildings. Basta yung paakyat. I don't know how do you call this one, but it's all buildings, as you can see. Look at this one. Beautiful buildings. Still, some of the buildings are all under construction. I think this is one of the project also for 2020 supposed to be, because they're expecting a lot of foreigner to go in here, but unfortunately COVID-19 came over, so that's why they announced that the expo will be on 2021. It's starting on October. So we are approaching Maldives City Center, one of the biggest mall also in Dubai. It's created March 2010, March 16, 2010 when they opened this one. I was there when they opened Maldives City Center. Oh my God! So I'm already 11 years here in Dubai. So Maldives City Center is already 10 years. So you know now how many years I'm here in Dubai. We're approaching. You can see it on ahead later on. Maldives City Center. You will see it on our left side. Welcome to Maldives City Center. That's the one you will see on our left. Maldives City Center. You see that? Amazing. That's one of the biggest parking lot I've ever been. And very easy access, by the way. One of the famous malls in Dubai. So now we're approaching Nadalamar. We're onto this road, Nadalamar Street. I think we need like 5 minutes to reach that newly opened supermarket. Actually, it's my first time to be there, so we're gonna find the way to this newly supermarket. Can you see that Burj Khalifa over there? I think it's a little bit foggy, that's why it's quite hard to see the Burj Khalifa. One of the biggest, no, it's a Guinness Book World Record building. Are you enjoying the ride, guys? Let me know, any comment there. Later on after this video, you comment down below where you wanted to go to see Dubai, to explore Dubai. Of course, I will help you out because I'm here. I am the one who will take the video. So this is Rashidiya area on the right side, where local people, UAE nationalities are living. It's big houses over there. Like you can't imagine how big it is. in this area, by the way, not Alhamar until not Shiva, you can see it's like still greeny, you know. You can see the surroundings in this premises, it's still greeny. In some areas of Dubai, you cannot see like this. It's very rare. This area you will see there, it's all green. Especially in that area, Al Badaya. We are very near to our destination. So, how are you guys? How's everything? Hi guys! So we are very near to our destination, and we gonna see where is this Nesto supermarket. My boss said it's just newly open, so let's rate it. I saw it already. That's the one. Nesto hypermarket. Now we're gonna need to know how to go in that area. You will see here also. This is the one of the famous park, Nad Alamar Park. This one. That one. It's all greeny. You can see that one. That is the Nad Alamar Park. Actually, it was before. It was crowdy. You know. Because this one, before the coronavirus, actually, there's a lot of people doing the jogging over there. It's a very nice park. Oh, welcome to Nesto Supermarket. This way. This way. This way. Welcome to Nesto hypermarket. Wow, this is the one. Did you see it, guys? Nesto hypermarket. We're gonna go in. But of course, the most important thing that we need to do is to park the car.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, we're back to home. After a few minutes, we just back to home, but we didn't video the way back home because it's quite traffic. So anyway, so this is what we bought in the Nesto supermarket. This is bean sprout, and now she's cleaning the shrimps because we're gonna do the okoy, or what we call deep fried fritters. So now she's preparing that one. We're gonna mix it over here. This is bean sprout, and this is our snacks for tonight. It's a healthy seafoods with vegetable. So this is the clean shrimp right now. Now she started to make it small pieces to put it in the bean sprout. So now she's cutting a little bit, small pieces of it. This one is for just the taste, actually. So whoever wanted to have a very healthy snacks, you know. And then now she's cleaning. She wanted to chop some onions. She's my chef, actually. Meet Ridska, my chef. So yeah, actually she just cleaned this one because some of the bean sprouts still not open. So you see, we clean it very well before putting everything. This is very fresh, by the way, from the supermarket. Look at this. Remove that one. Now she's chopping the onion. She's chopping it in very small pieces. Alright guys, so we need to have all-purpose flour, of course. And she mixed already the onion over here. And now she will mix all together the shrimp. Okay. And she will mix the all-purpose flour together with this one. Okay. Now she's adding spices, like she put pepper. And a little bit later on, she will put some salt for taste. Alright, now just gonna put a little bit of salt. Just sprinkle it a little bit. It depends, this one, it depends on how many, or how much, sorry, the grams of the bean sprout that you are using. So you can just see how it is. So just, as you can see, so just sprinkle a little bit of salt just to have a taste. And of course, we're gonna need to have egg, yeah? So we're gonna need to have egg as well. Together, later on, we will put the flour. So now we're gonna put the flour. I need more. Now she's putting the 2 eggs actually. Yeah, hello eggs. So mix it thoroughly, okay, before putting the water on. So at least everything is already mixed before the water. Now we're gonna put the water. So now you just need to see before you put the water, like you know, little by little, not all together. So at least you can see first if the water is already enough. If it's not yet, you just need to put more. But I think we're gonna need to put more a little bit, yeah? So now we put a little bit more, and more. So just like that, you just need to see if the water is already enough to cover everything. If you still see some parts that's still with flour, you just need to put little by little. So at least to avoid very liquidy, because it's not good as well. So now our shrimp with bean sprout is already prepared to cook. Alright guys, of course you need to have put it in a medium heat only. Okay, and you need to have like a casserole to make it deep fried, you know. To choose something, it will make a deep fry. Okay, and medium heat. And this one is already prepared. So make sure when you are putting the ukoy, make sure before you put this mixtures, okay, onto the deep fry, make sure it's like a very thin layer only. Wow, very nice. I can smell the food. So for those who wanted to have a healthy snacks, so just like this, it's still, you know, we are frying, but it's still healthy. Why? Because we are using vegetable on it and just shrimp. So she started to cook. Yeah. And don't forget also, like I said a while ago, for you not to have, you know, so it will be like cook until inside. It will be tender. Put the fire of your, I don't know which one, how you do it in your country. Some of them they're using gas, some of them are using something like electric, but make sure it's in the medium heat. So it will not be, it will be fry until in the middle. So cooking process is already on process. So fry it until it's golden brown. Okay, when it's golden brown already, you need to put it on, of course, on the other side. And when it's golden brown already, it's already ready to eat. And by the way, it's just, I wanted to add only that because this is made of vegetables, sometimes you can use also squash or papaya or some carrots shredded. You can do it as this style. You can put shrimp on it or just plain vegetable. And it's very healthy for children, you know, because sometimes some of you have children, they don't want it to eat vegetable. So do something like this. It's like a trick for them. They don't know that they are eating vegetable when you do like this. I always do with my daughter this one. So, because she don't eat vegetable. So what I do, I'm gonna do something like this and mix all the vegetable, and she will eat it because it's a different style. She cannot see the vegetable itself. It's already shredded. So when when I'm making like this, she's eating without knowing that it's a vegetable. So it's very healthy for children, for those parents that's struggling to let their children to eat vegetable. This is a very good style for all of the parents over there to do this style at home. So after a few minutes, it's already prepared. So we are ready to eat. Now we are just doing some sauce for this one. So like I said, it's a very healthy for the beautiful kids over there that they don't want to eat vegetables. So come on guys, come on parents over there. Just do this one for your children. It's very healthy. It looks yummy, by the way. Let's eat now.